I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas. It is day 5 today. We are trekking our way through this first week here pretty easily. Just got out of bed a little while ago here. Let's see, what time is it? It is 10:45. Had a very nice, relaxing morning. Connor unfortunately woke up sort of early because of the street cleaners, which are outside of his building every single day. It's such a nightmare.
They're not city street cleaners, they're building street cleaners.
Yeah, they're just like privately owned. They just clean the sidewalks. They're sidewalk
Using
cleaners.
illegally gas-powered machinery.
Oh my god.
God!
Jeez.
Sorry, this is where I glare.
Oh my god. Yeah, Connor just like stares out the window at them angrily. They probably think he's such a freak.
Well, I finally wrote an email today to the building manager.
We'll see what happens.
Maybe do something about it, I don't know. That'd be great.
Oh god. How good were those spring rolls last night?
They always bring it then. Man,
I had such a fun night.
I know, it was a great time.
Yeah. So it's another Saturday in lockdown. So that's fun. We have not totally figured out our plan for the day. I think I might dive into some Sims while Connor plays, you know, whatever video game. Except that's sort of fun. Let's see, what else?
Wine will be drank.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I have this cool like at-home wine tasting kit that I think Connor and I are gonna use today. But first we're gonna go for a walk.
Yes, because we need to go.
Get a coffee and get some fresh air because yeah, we don't spend much time outside.
Ooh, I'm going to London. You sound like you're from London.
Okay, babe, let's go.
Of course.
Of course.
I'm ready anytime.
Well, let's see you can get those shoes on faster.
Oh.
All right, we got our Starbucks. This is great lighting. Love it. I got a chai tea latte. Con, what did you get?
Black tea lemonade.
Yeah, it's so good. I love
Very
that drink.
refreshing.
One of my faves.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I want to try this. Oh my god, that is so good.
Nice on a crisp day.
I love it.
What a beautiful
Such a good drink. Okay, we're back after our walk. We ended up walking for like an hour and a half.
It's a nice like hour and a bit walk.
Yeah, it was really nice. We had a great time and now we're home and with mimosas, so
Woo-woo.
obviously can't go wrong. Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
Connor's playing his game and I'm trying to decide what new Sims pack I want. So I'm doing some research because I just can't decide. It's a very exciting Saturday afternoon here. Guys, I bought cats and dogs for the Sims. Actually, Connor was kind enough to buy me some packs.
The nice Jessica.
Oh my god.
No!
Okay, lunch courtesy of Connor. Look at how good. He made everything we need to make burritos. And it's looking incredible.
Yum
Good
yum.
work, baby. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay guys, it is much later in the afternoon now. That day just really slipped away.
Yeah, it really got away from us.
We just sat here and played games the whole afternoon.
Yeah.
But I'm not mad about it.
Neither am I.
I had fun. I could have kept going, honestly.
And I might later.
Exactly. But it is wine tasting time now. Very excited.
What?
So this is a 9-bottle wine tasting from this company called In Good Taste. And so they have 9 different kinds of wines here. It comes with a little pamphlet that explains each of them. And we're gonna do a little tasting. 9 wines is like a lot. That's
9?
a lot of wine.
Are we
Yep.
gonna put them down? I love it.
Well, yeah, I think so. Exactly.
Loyola, go Lions.
Baby, I thought maybe we could listen to some music.
Yeah,
You know, enjoy talking to each other.
I agree. This will just be background.
Like sports free. I thought maybe.
I agree. A sports break would be
And-
nice.
I said sports free. Maybe we could come back to this game that you don't give a fuck about later.
Hey, that is my alma mater right there. The art of Go, Loyola.
You don't care about college basketball?
I care about all sports, which is the sad truth.
Well, that's fine, I guess.
No, I'm kidding. Like, we can do, we can do fireplace. Burning.
Yeah, fireplace. Now you're talking, baby.
Oh my god, why it's such a good deal. You can't actually get to the wine.
True that.
It tastes terrible.
This wine Tastes terrible because it makes you really work for it.
Alright, we got one.
Alright, I got 3 over here.
Let them have it, Jill.
There we go. It's not even all the way off, but it's enough that we can open the bottle. The bottles are hard to open. Jeez. Okay, we're starting off with a lovely Vermentino.
Mmm.
Interesting.
Pretty crisp.
Vermentino has the upbeat citrus and high acidity of a Sauv Blanc with a richer texture. Yeah, I can see that. Originally from Italy, this grape thrives in warm climates like Lodi and Texas. Feels like reaching day drinking nirvana at a country music festival.
Yes. Amen, brother.
That is so good.
This is very tasty.
It really is.
So we gotta drink these real quick, right? That's the rule. How much is this? Yeah, we should look at what the ounces are.
750 is the
So 187.
So this is like a bottle and a half of wine.
Perfect.
Which we can put that down easily.
Easily.
Okay, a dry white that is still soft and tangy. This Viognier is perfect for Chardonnay lovers who prefer a more floral and fruity finish.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
All right, going in for our second to last wine. This is a Moravidra, which I've never heard of before. Tastes like jam, black pepper, and cherry, and it feels like sending a risky text and seeing the ... appear. That is very scary.
That's what it feels like?
Yeah.
Jesus, alright, I hate
Anticipation. It goes best with beef short ribs or a bacon wrapped hot dog. I have not had a street dog in so long now.
I love the drunk Jill.
Damn it.
Tradition of a good street dog.
I love a street dog when I'm drunk.
And it's unprompted 90% of the time, which is the best.
Yeah, no, I feel like I'm the one.
Yeah.
Well, they camp out outside the bar, so you walk outside the bar, you're f***ed up, and you smell bacon wrapped hot dogs with like onion and so many good toppings. Yeah, I'm obviously like, whoa. Yeah, I need to eat that right now.
Oh yeah.
Though I really like that actually. Moravidra. Okay, our last wine of 9 tastings.
It is
We
not
are a
got it
little-
on top of this. Not at all.
Not at all.
I don't know. It kind of like doesn't feel like much, tastes like much when it's going down, when it's in your mouth, but then when you start drinking it down, it really packs a huge punch of flavor at the end.
Oh, I see what you mean.
It smacks you a little bit right at the end.
I
Just to
like
say,
it.
Hey, I'm leaving town and you're gonna miss me.
And do you?
I do.
I also forgot to tell you guys that Connor and I decided that we're staying up late tonight.
We're being bad.
And I am excited to report back to you how late is for us. I hope that it's actually late.
It'd be nice if we made 2.
To 2 a.m.?
Yeah. I'm guessing at least 3, right?
3, you think we'll make it till 3 a.m.?
What did you consider late?
Past midnight?
You're right. We're at an aggressive start.
Totally. I like it. I like the challenge. I would love to stay up until 3 a.m. I haven't been up till 3 a.m. in so long.
Why not, right?
Yeah, why not? I like it. So that's the challenge for us today is can we stay up past midnight, but specifically until 3 a.m. Let's go. All right, dinner just arrived. It is looking so good. We got yellow curry, crab fried rice, spring rolls, and pad thai. Like, yes, this is such a feast. Well, our food has been delicious and our mission to stay up late has not been going too hot.
We've taken some very smart micro naps. Very strategic.
We did take a quick little nap during Frozen 2, but now we're awake again and we're diving into some Game of Thrones.
Some light material.
So I think that'll be good.
It should get us going.
Yeah, it's 10:30.
We're gonna make it. 3 a.m. Here we come.
We're making it all the way to 3 a.m.
Yeah.
And I cannot wait to share this journey with you. You guys could be so proud of us at the end.
Yeah. And we'll track it every step of the way.
We'll let you know how this Game of Thrones episode goes as far as keeping us up. Well, our mission to stay up until 3 a.m.
It's 4 a.m.
has failed. No way. It's about 1 a.m. right now. Oh, we made it through an episode of Survivor.
Jill was stronger than I, that's for sure.
Yeah, but Connor's been sleeping for the past like 3 things that we watched, so it's not.
I don't qualify.
Yeah. He was never really in the running.
I was supporting you in spirit though.
Thank you. Oh man, yeah, I'm pretty tired. Another Saturday down.
Another Saturday down.
Quarantine.
I love you, baby.
Love you too. Wish you weren't in quarantine, but I guess
Me too.
there are worse people to be in quarantine with. Okay, well, on that note, we are heading to bed. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it, even though it's probably very random to you. It was a very random sort of day.
A little all over the place.
Exactly, but not so bad. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys tomorrow for my next vlog.
Bye guys.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?